Welcome back to the channel. The Peterson Automotive Museum in Los Angeles is as much a piece of automotive sculpture as it is a building. It turns the corner of Wilshire and Fairfax into a kinetic landmark that seems to be permanently in motion. The museum's dramatic contemporary appearance is the result of a major renovation led by Kohn Pedersen Fox Associates as design architect, with House and Robertson Architects serving as executive architect and Matt Construction overseeing the build. The building that now houses the museum began life as a mid-20th century retail structure on Wilshire Boulevard, part of the commercial growth of what is now known as the Miracle Mile. It was later adapted for museum use in the 1990s, when the Peterson Automotive Museum was founded to showcase automotive history, culture, and design on a large urban site with high visibility to car traffic. The defining feature of the current design is the system of bright red volumes wrapped by sweeping stainless steel ribbons that flow across three sides of the building and over the roof. KPF's design interprets themes of speed, aerodynamics, and airflow around a car body, creating an abstracted image of car contours and motion rather than referencing any single automobile brand or model. Architecturally, the ribbons form an exoskeletal-like layer, curved stainless steel elements mounted in front of a red, corrugated rain screen enclosure. These ribbons are supported by a system of custom steel columns and structural components that allow the facade to cantilever over the roof terrace and along the street fronts, while the original building frame continues to carry the primary floor and roof loads. Each ribbon segment was individually fabricated, with no two pieces exactly the same, requiring extensive 3D modeling and digital coordination between the design team and metal fabricators. The stainless steel typically uses a non-directional brushed finish to catch and diffuse light, while concealed fasteners and custom hardware were developed to evoke early automotive detailing without visually cluttering the flowing forms. And that wraps up our day at the Peterson Automotive Museum, one of the world's premier destinations for car culture, design, and history right here in Los Angeles. Thanks for watching.